Welcome to Smart Shop. Smart Shop is a powerful, yet affordable accounting suite, designed for growing distribution, manufacturing, and service organizations. Smart Shop streamlines your entire enterprise by integrating a powerful and easy-to-use set of business automation tools. Smart Shop will benefit your organization by simplifying the jobs of all your employees, not just your accounting department. This software has accounting, inventory, and point-of-sale modules. Let's get into the software. User has to enter the password for login to the software. In the software we have Master Module, Transaction Module, Accounting Module, POS or Point of Sale Module, HR Module, Check Printing Module, Reports Module, and Administration Module. First of all, let's jump into the Master Module. From the Master Module, user can select Company Profile, Sales Point or Warehouse, Currencies, Ledgers, Customer Details, Suppliers, Employees, Item Details, Users, Cashiers, Counter Master, and Exit. Where in the company profile we can define the company details. We can also edit the company profile from this module. Sales Point or Warehouse. This module is used to manage sales points or warehouses, by adding new sales point and editing or deleting existing sales points. Currencies. This accounting software is a multi-currency supported software, and you can use it when you have some transactions with foreign currency. This module is used to manage multiple currencies by adding new currency and its exchange rate. Edit and delete the existing currencies are possible here. Ledgers. In this module, user can define the ledgers. We can add or edit the ledgers using the button placed right side of the ledger module. Customer Details. This module will manage the customer details. Here we have two sub-modules, Customer Types and Customers. In the Customer Type module we can define the customer types, where we can edit or delete the existing customer types. The Customers module is used to define the customer details, where we can enter the customer name and other details by click on the new button, and also we can edit or delete the customer. Suppliers, this module is used to define the supplier details, where we can enter the supplier name and other details by click on the new button. And also we can edit or delete the supplier details. Employees. This is the module used to define the employees of the company. Where we can also edit or delete existing employees. Item details. This is the module to define the items. We are already discussed about this module in earlier video. The link for the tutorial for Item Master is in the description box. Please do check that video. The Users module is used to define the users. There we can create the users by click on the new button. We can define the cashier details in the Cashier module. Where we can edit or delete existing cashiers by using the Find or Edit button. User can set the counter details in the Counter Master module, where we can edit or delete the counter details by using the Find or Edit button. We can exit the software by click on the Exit module. By click on the Exit button will pop up a dialog box asking that do you want to back up. If the backup is needed we can click Yes and back up. Otherwise click No to close the software.